I like to companion plant carrots underneath of my tomato plants. They need surface sowing because they need a little bit of sunlight in order to germinate. And I'm going to be doing these black nebula carrots mixed with these Nantes coreless carrots. And these are a really good variety for my area of Texas. So I'm just going to show you, like, some seeds are coated. I think these might be a coated seed to make them easier to see when you're sowing them. Nope, they're not. So if you can tell here, carrot seeds are absolutely so tiny. Look how little those are. So really, we're just going to sprinkle them across the top of the garden bed, and then we'll thin them out if we need to. But sometimes when carrots are too close together, they end up hugging each other below the soil. So when you pull them up, it's a cute, fun surprise. And we won't be covering these with soil. Kind of let them come up when they're ready. Having carrots planted as a companion for your tomato plants also helps to keep the soil loose for them, because they're putting those roots into the ground. And that's also helpful for your tomato plants, which are very deep rooted plants. They need a lot of space to grow. I love chaos gardening. It's my favorite. I like just seeing what nature will do. Honestly, if you think about like a carrot seed in the wild, it's just going to be spread by blowing on the wind. So it's not going to be uniform. This is going to be like a lot of carrots, but I want to be able to pull up these carrots nonstop. I'm also going to reserve some of these for another garden bed, because I will be, repeating this companion planting in my other garden beds.